We're the reigning Sloths and we don't have any. Well, Wagwan Mr. Postman. This is cool.